Hello guys, how are you all? Today I discuss about Satoshi app for only new users. This video language is English, uh, region for all countries men. Today discussion this app OEX mining uh, for all countries. So guys, you know Satoshi app OEX mining. Satoshi app going to OEX token. এই যে Satoshi app the OEX token. This token price maybe one from $5. If $1, then I get 863 $3 $863. So guys, I want to tell you all new users, you can mining by your sons. You have a sons now OEX mining just left 3 months, then the end of airdrop mining. You can believe, Joy, you can believe, uh, if I if I see you all person, you can click, you can under the click is a project, you can click project, then is a OEX open OEX project. You can see open OEX project left side and down side. uh, current status হচ্ছে current status airdropping. This airdropping estimated start time. This airdropper estimated start time 2023 for month 30 days. This airdrop end time 2024 for month 30 days. 2000 started time এবং end time. Started time 2023 এবং end time হচ্ছে 2024. তো জাস্ট one year mining, but now left just 3 month mining. So you can start mining. OEX mining. Just 3 month left. You can minimum you have a chance 1 lakh money. You can earn just 1 lakh money if your hash is a hash rate, my hash rate increase. If your hash rate, you can use gift card. I have a 10 gift card. You can use 10 gift card. I can give you copy this card. You can use this gift card and hash card. You can use hash card. You can see many cards. I have a cards. You can see you can use this card. It's a real and valid project. It's a real and valid project. Or Satoshi core mining, then OEX mining. This app link put my video description. You can see or you can check my video description. You get a link. Click this link and create account and verify your page, then start mining to 24 hours. Then start mining 24 hours just once. 24 hours just once start mining, and you get OEX token. 863 I have a OEX token 863 token. I have. So you can start mining.